On the morning of December 6, 1917, Halifax Harbor was calm. No one knew the city was seconds away from disaster. A French cargo ship named Mont-Blanc was entering the harbor. Its cargo was deadly, thousands of tons of explosives, TNT, picric acid, and benzene. But the people watching had no idea. Then another ship collided with it. At first, it didn't seem serious, but soon a fire began. Flames spread across the deck. Crowds gathered to watch. They didn't know what was coming. At 9:04 a.m., everything changed. The Mont-Blanc exploded. The blast was massive. Buildings collapsed instantly. Windows shattered miles away. A powerful shock wave destroyed everything nearby. A tsunami hit the harbor. Ships were thrown onto land. In seconds, Halifax was devastated. Thousands were killed. Thousands more were injured. It was one of the largest non-nuclear explosions in history. And it all began with a single ship.